Financial teams are a very specific use case for AI note takers. You need more than just a basic transcript. You have client meetings, portfolio reviews, internal calls, and a large amount of sensitive financial information. That's why choosing an AI tool for finance is different from choosing a regular meeting tool. First, it must create accurate meeting notes. Second, it must understand financial terminology. Third, it should help update the CRM. Fourth, it should work for both internal calls and in-person client meetings. And finally, it must handle privacy carefully because clients discuss sensitive financial details. In this video, I'll compare 6 recording and note-taking tools that can be useful for financial teams. These are Fathom, Jamie AI, Bluedot, Zox, Fireflies AI, and Otter AI. First up is Fathom. This is a tool that's best for solo consultants and small firms who want to try AI notes for free. Fathom has one of the most generous free plans in this comparison. You can use it for an unlimited number of recordings, transcriptions, and unlimited storage. So if you're just starting to test AI tools and don't want to pay, Fathom can be a good starting point. On paid plans, you also get a custom dictionary to help with financial terminology and CRM integrations with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot. And Fathom supports summary templates with sales frameworks like Bant and Sandler. But Fathom has several important limitations. First, Fathom uses a bot in the meeting. And for financial teams, this can be critical. If a client is going to discuss investments, taxes, or personal financial goals, a bot appearing in the meeting can make the conversation feel less private. Second, Fathom doesn't have a mobile app for in-person meetings, so if you meet with clients in person, that's a serious limitation. And as for the price, as I said, Fathom has a generous free plan, and the premium plan starts at $20 per user per month, or $16 with annual billing. The next tool is Jamie AI. It's a tool with a focus on privacy. It works without a bot and processes data on servers located in the European Union. It's also GDPR compliant, which can be important for finance teams that work with sensitive client information. Another important detail related to privacy, Jamie deletes audio recordings after transcription. So instead of getting video or audio of your meeting, you only get the transcript and meeting notes. But this same approach to privacy also creates strong limitations. Since Jamie doesn't store meeting audio or video, you don't have the original recording as a backup. If the transcript missed something or the AI misidentified part of the conversation, you won't have the chance to correct or review it. If you want to record in-person meetings, you can only use the iOS app, and CRM integration is only available on the Pro plan, which costs significantly more. Also, its key feature is a powerful AI chat that allows you to get additional information based on the meeting results. And let's move on to pricing. Jamie AI has a free plan with 10 meetings per month and a 30-minute limit. Paid plans start from €25 per month or from €21 for annual payment. Now let's look at Bluedot. It's best suited for financial teams that need an affordable AI tool for both internal calls and in-person client meetings. Bluedot stands out from other tools by providing the best balance between simplicity, privacy, flexibility, and price. First, Bluedot records meetings without a bot. You just install the browser app, join the meeting, click the extension icon, choose a note template, select the language, and click the Start Capture button. After that, Bluedot starts recording and analyzing everything happening in the background. And to get the recording result, you just leave the meeting. And after the call, Bluedot generates a transcript for you with up to 98% accuracy, as well as an AI summary and structured meeting notes. So you can record meetings using the Chrome extension. Bluedot also has its own desktop app, which allows you to record meetings in Zoom or Microsoft Teams. And Bluedot also has its own mobile app on Android and iOS, which allows you to record in-person meetings with your clients. Bluedot also supports custom meeting templates. You can use ready-made templates or create your own templates for financial meetings using an AI agent, or you can just list the questions you need answers to after the meeting. Bluedot also has its own AI chat, which allows you to ask questions across 10 past recordings at once. So instead of manually searching for information in hours of conversations, you can just ask what concerns this client mentioned in the last few meetings. And Bluedot will provide you with detailed information with links to the specific meeting, where you can open it and listen back to the necessary part. You can also generate an email follow-up. To do this, you need to click here, and Bluedot will take you to the email sending window in Gmail. Here, you just need to edit it, select the recipients, and send this email to all of your clients. And one of the key advantages of Bluedot is its integrations. Bluedot natively connects to Salesforce and HubSpot, And through Zapier or Make, you can link it with other CRM systems like Redtail or Wealthbox. So after a meeting, your notes and tasks can be sent directly to CRM systems and you won't have to copy them manually. As for the price, Bluedot has a free plan where you can record 5 meetings absolutely for free. Next, you can sign up for the basic plan. It starts at $18 per month and allows you to record an unlimited number of meetings, but only audio. And if you want to record video and create your own custom note templates, then the Pro plan for $25 a month will suit you. The next tool is Zox. It's best suited for firms and companies that use Redtail or Wealthbox and are willing to pay much more. Zox is probably the most specialized financial tool in this comparison. It's created specifically for financial advisors, and that's both its main advantage and its main drawback. The advantage is that Zox understands financial terms better than most tools. This can be useful because general-purpose AI tools often make mistakes with complex terminology. Zox also has native integrations with specialized financial systems, and it can help you fill out various forms, create dynamic client profiles, write draft emails in your tone of voice, and provide meeting scorecards. So if you need a tool that's deeply embedded specifically in a financial advisor's workflow, Zox is a powerful tool, but it has obvious downsides. First, Zox doesn't store audio or video recordings after transcription, which might be good for privacy, but as we discussed earlier, if there are errors, they'll be hard to track and fix. And probably the biggest problem is the price. Prices start at $80 per user per month, or from $67 with annual billing. The professional plan costs $140 per user per month, and Ultimate is $220 per month. So if you only need accurate notes and CRM integration, Zox might be overkill for those tasks. And next in line is Firefly's AI. Firefly's is interesting because it works more deeply specifically with conversation analytics. For example, it has sentiment analysis, and the AI can classify statements as positive, negative, or neutral, and mark moments where the client expressed concern. It also has financial AI skills like Financial Goal Tracker, Profitability Insight Tracker, Customer Profile Generator, and Investment Opportunity Evaluator. Another strong point is the CRM integrations. Fireflies integrates with Salesforce, HubSpot, Redtail, and Wealthbox. It also has a mobile app for iOS and Android, which helps with in-person meetings. But Fireflies has 2 serious problems. First, for Zoom and Microsoft Teams, it needs a bot to record the meeting. Recording without a bot is only available in Google Meet via Chrome extension. Second, the final cost might turn out higher than it seems because of AI credits. Also, Fireflies works quite aggressively with the calendar. After getting access to the calendar, the bot can start joining meetings on its own and send in an AI summary after the meeting to participants. For financial teams working with sensitive client data, this could become a serious problem. And as for the price, Fireflies has a free plan with 800 minutes of storage. The Pro plan starts at $18 per month and from $10 with annual payment. Business starts at $29 per month or from $19 with annual payment, but additional AI credits can increase the real cost. And finally, let's look at Otter AI. It's best suited for financial teams that need transcription specifically for in-person meetings, but who don't work with very sensitive client data. You can use it on desktop, in the browser, on iOS, Android, or via Chrome extension. Otter also offers live transcription during meetings, collaborative note editing, custom AI templates, and CRM sync with Salesforce and HubSpot. But the privacy concerns here are quite serious. Otter trains AI models on customer data, and, like Fireflies, it can automatically join meetings via calendar access and send transcripts to participants. For regular meetings, this might just be an annoying factor, but for financial teams, it can be a real risk. As for the price, Otter has a free plan that gives 300 minutes of transcription per month. The Pro plan starts at $17 a month, or from $8 with annual billing. Let's wrap things up. Fathom is a better fit if you want a strong free plan for online meetings. Jamie AI is better for teams that prioritize privacy. Zox is better for firms that need native Redtail or Wealthbox support and are willing to pay more. Firefly's AI is best for conversation analytics, sentiment scoring, and topic tracking. Otter AI can be useful for in-person transcription, but privacy concerns make it a risky option. But if you need one affordable AI note-taking tool that records meetings without a bot, has an impressive list of integrations, and costs a reasonable amount, then Bluedot, in my opinion, is the strongest choice overall. Share your personal experience using these tools in the comments, and see you in the next videos.